Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by protecting data and freeing space. First, back up critical files to an external drive or cloud. This prevents loss if something goes wrong. Once done, run disk cleanup and temporarily disable hibernation and BitLocker so partitions are movable. Make sure to check available contiguous free space. Then open Disk Management, Win+X right arrow Disk Management, and identify the disk and partition you'll change. From here, you're ready to shrink or extend volumes. Don't skip the backup step. Next, you perform the actual resizing. You'll right-click the partition in Disk Management and choose Shrink Volume to free space. Enter the megabytes to remove. Once shrunk, right-click Unallocated Space to create a new simple volume and format NTFS, assigning a drive letter. If you need to extend a partition, choose Extend Volume and select Adjacent Unallocated Space. For locked system partitions or complex layouts, use a reputable third-party tool with bootable media, because Windows GUI can't always move system files safely. To finish, verify integrity and system behavior. You should run chkdsk on any modified volumes, confirm new sizes and drive letters in Disk Management, and reboot to ensure Windows recognizes changes. If you created a new drive, move user folders or reinstall large apps onto it to free the original disk. Make sure Windows Update and installed programs still run. If something goes wrong, restore from your backup or boot a rescue USB to recover partitions. That single recovery step will save you hours if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.